Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to troubleshoot common issues and errors in AI chat. Now, troubleshooting common issues and errors in AI chat can help ensure smooth and uninterrupted messages. Here is some of the steps on how you can fix it. First of all, make sure that your device has stable internet connection. If your experiences connectivity issue, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. You can also do this by turning on the flight mode for a couple of seconds and then disabling it. That should be able to fix the issue. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can also try closing the AI chat app completely and then relaunching it. This can improve or resolve minor glitches or temporary issues as well. For that case, you can force stop your AI chat. For that, long press on it and go to the app info page, and here go to force stop. When you do that, it's going to take a while, and it should be able to fix the issue as well. Sometimes updating your application can also help you fix your temporary issue. For that case, go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in AI chat, and when you locate that, make sure that the app is completely up to date. If this also not working out, then you can try restarting your device, and a simple restart can resolve your issue all at once. However, that's not the case, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as storage. For that case, long press on your AI chat and go to the app info page, and here go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache as well as storage. Now this is going to log you out of your account, but if you know your credential, just tap on it and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. These are some of the steps in troubleshooting common issues and errors in AI chat. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.